You all ready for the speak?
Yes, sir, I am ready for the speaking.
What is the point today?
Government school versus private school.
गवर्नमेंट स्कूल वर्सेस प्राइवेट स्कूल ना?
Yes, yes, sir.
ठीक है। पहला कौन बताइए? चलिए पहले दूसरी कर लेते हैं। What your opinion?
Hello everyone, I would like to tell about government school versus private school. Which is better for you? I think government school is better than private school because if you read in government school, then you can get free books, you can get free knowledge, you can get free food, and you can get a free education. But if you read in private school, then you can't get a free food, free food, free knowledge, and free education. So many things. So government school is better, private school is not better.
Okay. And you say that गवर्नमेंट स्कूल इज बेटर ना? प्राइवेट स्कूल इज नॉट बेटर। व्हाट योर ओपिनियन रिया? माइक पर करना।
No, Palak, I am not agree with your point. What do you want to say? You want to say that government school is better, but private school is not better. But I think private school is better than government school because private school provide good education, but government school does not provide good education. And in private school you can get so many facilities, but in government school you can't get so many facilities. And if you go in a private school, then you can read well. But if you go in a government school, then you can't read well. And you told that Palak, in government school you can get free shoes, free dress, free knowledge. You can get free shoes, free dress, free education, and so many things. But in private school, you can't get free dress, free food, free shoes, free education, and so many things. But I think in private school you can't get so many things. You can't get free so many things. But you can get good education in private school. But in government school, you can't get a good education. And if you have a good education, then you can do anything in your life. And if you go in private school, then you can speak English and you can read English well. But if you go in government school, then you can't read English and you will not able to speak English. Because in government school, your teacher will not teach you English and he will not teach you speak English. And in private school, your teacher will teach you English and he will teach you speak English. And if you go in private school, then you can speak English. So private school is better than government school.
You told that government school is, you told that private school is better.
Yes.
Okay. What your opinion, Shivani?
No, Riya, you are saying wrong. I think nowadays in government school is changed. There is a English teacher in government school and there is a English book in government school. So if you read in government school, you can read English and you can read all subject. You told that if you read in a private school, you can speak English, but you are saying wrong. I know in government school there is a no English speaker, but English speaker and there is no English speaking teacher, but in government school teacher has more knowledge, but private school of teacher does not has more knowledge. So government school is better than private school.
You told that government school is better, right?
Yes, sir.
And what your opinion also?
No, Swangi, I think you are saying wrong. Private school of teacher has more knowledge than government school of teacher. You told that the government school of teacher has more knowledge. You are saying wrong, Swangi. In private school of teacher has more knowledge than government school of teacher. Suppose if you want to read computer in government school, you will not able to read computer in government school because there is no computer. How will you read computer in government school? So in my opinion, everyone read in private school.
You told that private school is better
Yes.
because there is computer.
Yes.
What?
No, Vasu, I am not agree with the point. How can you say that private school is better than government school? In my opinion,
government school is better than private school. You told that if you want to read computer in government school, then you will not able to read computer in government school. I think you are saying wrong because there is no computer in government school, but there is good teacher in government school. Suppose if you want to read in private school and if you don't have money, how will you read in private school? I think you will not able to read in private school. And if you don't want to read in government school, but you will have to read in government school. So according to me, government school is better than private school.
Good. You told that government school is better.
Yes, sir.
What your opinion, Saloni?
No, Khushi, I'm not agree with your point. How can you say that? You told that you don't have money, you will not read in private school. But you have some money, you can read in private school. If you read in private school, then you will able to grow in your life because there is so many things in private school. If you read in government school, then you will not have to pay money in government school. But if you read in private school, then you will have to pay money in private school. Suppose by your money you can get good education and you can get good knowledge. Suppose if you read in a government school, because government school of teacher is very lazy. He don't want to teach of his student, but whether he wants to teach of his student, but he will not able to teach of his student. But in private school of teacher, he is not lazy and he has good communication skill and he has a strong opinion. So in my opinion, you should read in private school.
You told that private school is better because their teacher is not lazy. Okay, what is your opinion?
No, Saloni, you are saying wrong. I think government school is better than private school because and you told that government school of teacher is very lazy and private school of teacher is not lazy. But this is wrong. Someone is lazy and someone is not lazy here. And you told that government school of teacher don't want to teach of student and private school of teacher want to teach of student. But this is wrong. And government school of teacher wants to teach also. And you told that government school of teacher does not have knowledge and private school of teacher has more knowledge. But this is wrong. I think government school of teacher has more knowledge than private school of teacher, and he has a good communication skill also. Because without knowledge, anyone will not able to become a government school of teacher. And everyone wants to become a government school of teacher. Anyone don't want to become a government private school of teacher. And you told that by your money you can grow in your life. But everyone does not has money, and everyone is not rich. Someone is poor, and if you don't have money, then you will not able to read in private school. And when a student is poor, then he will not able to read in private school, and he will not able to grow in his life. But in government school, anyone can read, whether he belong to middle class family and he belong to rich family, and anyone can read in government school. So in my opinion, government school is better than private school.
Okay, बहुत अच्छे. चाहिए?